Tired of boring, static presentations? In this video, I'll show you how to create stunning Canva slides with smooth slider effects like this. No design skills needed, and it looks super professional. Okay, let's get started. Go to canva.com and create a new presentation. Choose a 16 by 9 layout for widescreen slides, or you can typing in search bar, presentation. Go to the Elements tab and select the square shape. Duplicate into 4 parts. This is optional. You can make more than 4. Now, we will change the color of each of these elements. Here, I use the color palette that I have provided. After all the colors have been changed, next we stretch all the elements like this. And after stretching, we will add another rounded element. Go to the Element tab again and select this rounded shape. Place this element between the rectangle elements like this. And then copy the element and then place it between the other elements. Don't forget to change the height 1 level from the previous element. Do the same for the others. Don't forget to change the color to match the parent color, like this. Now, select the rounded element and the rectangle element, then group the elements. Do the same for the others. After, like this, next, we will set the position of the layer. Go to the right corner and find Position, and change the position to be like this. Now we add numbers to each layer. Go to the Text tab and enter the numbers for each layer. Don't forget to group the numbers and layers like this. After adding the number, add the content to each layer. Because the process is long, I will speed it up. After finishing adding content to the layer, next we move the layers one by one like this. I will add some text. This is just optional. Now go to Timeline. On the page, select Duplicate. On the second layer, we change the position of this text to be slightly smaller. And for the layer that we have labeled with the number 1, move it to the side until the content is visible. Then, go to the page again and select Duplicate Page again. On page 3, we will select layers with labels 1 and 2. Then slide until the content on layer 2 is visible. Do this for each layer until you reach the end of the content. Now we have 5 pages, and it's time to give animation to each page. Click Add Transition. And in the transition options, select the Match and Move transition and set the transition speed. Then scroll down and select Apply between all pages. The slider animation is done. We can check the preview to see the transition we have created. And that's it. You've now created a clean and modern slider-style presentation in Canva. If you found this helpful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly design tutorials. Got questions or ideas for the next tutorial? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Want to keep learning? Check out this next video right here, and see you in another video tutorial.